meron ako dito dinagdag, running for Vice President ako. Sabi ko, it's not at all a bad idea. And if there is a space for me there, siguro. Pero kung wala akong space, and everybody is crowding up, wanting to be one Vice President, sila na lang muna kasi tapos na ako. But there are things I'd like to continue, and that would be dependent on also of the President that I will support. Kasi kung mag-Vice President ako, din kalaban ko, kontrapartido, kaya ni Pacquiao, salita ng salita na 3 times daw tayo mas corrupt. So I am challenging him, ituro mong opisina na corrupt. At ako na ang bahala, within 1 week, may gawain ako. Maglista ka, Pacquiao, at sinasabi mong 2 times kami corrupt. Ilista mo yung mga tao at opisina at dapat nilista mo na yun at ibigay mo sa akin.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.